At Alpine Helicopters, we believe in a future where adventure meets responsibility. Introducing our Green Initiative. Through your help, we aim to offset greenhouse gas emissions by investing in gold standard carbon offsets with PlanetAir, and also plant trees across Canada with one tree planted. You can join us in making a difference. For $2 per person, one tree will be planted and the remaining funds will be invested in offsetting carbon emissions from your tour. Join us on a journey towards a sustainable future. Alpine Helicopters, where every tour takes you higher and every step we take makes a lasting impact.